Stomach bloating can be a common problem caused by various factors such as overeating, digestive issues, and food intolerances. While there are many remedies available to alleviate bloating, one potent remedy stands out: ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat digestive problems. Its effectiveness in reducing bloating has also been supported by scientific research. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals, which have anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that help to relax the intestinal muscles and reduce bloating. To make ginger tea at home, you will need 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root, 2 cups of water, honey or lemon to taste, optional. Directions: peel and slice the ginger root into thin pieces. Bring the water to a boil in a saucepan or kettle. Add the sliced ginger to the boiling water and reduce the heat to low. Allow the ginger to simmer in the water for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how strong you want the tea. Once the tea has finished steeping, strain it into a cup. Add honey or lemon to taste, if desired. Enjoy the ginger tea while it is still warm. Drinking ginger tea regularly can help to reduce bloating and other digestive issues. It is recommended to drink 1 to 2 cups of ginger tea per day, preferably after meals. In addition to drinking ginger tea, there are other steps you can take to prevent bloating. These include eating slowly and chewing your food thoroughly to aid digestion, avoiding foods that are known to cause bloating, such as beans, onions, and cruciferous vegetables, drinking plenty of water throughout the day to help flush out excess salt and fluid from your body, and engaging in regular physical activity to help stimulate your digestive system. Ginger tea also has numerous health benefits in addition to its ability to alleviate stomach bloating. Here are some of the benefits of drinking ginger tea. Anti-inflammatory properties: ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogals that have potent anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds can help to reduce inflammation throughout the body and alleviate pain and discomfort. Digestive aid: ginger helps to stimulate the production of digestive juices and enzymes, which can improve digestion and reduce bloating, gas, and constipation. Immune booster: ginger contains antioxidants that help to strengthen the immune system and protect against disease. It can also help to alleviate symptoms of colds and flu. Nausea relief: ginger is well known for its ability to alleviate nausea, whether it is caused by motion sickness, morning sickness, or chemotherapy. Drinking ginger tea can help to reduce nausea and improve overall well-being. Anti-cancer properties: ginger has been shown to have anti-cancer properties in animal and test tube studies. It may help to inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, although more research is needed in humans. Blood sugar control: some studies suggest that ginger may help to regulate blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for people with diabetes. It may also help to reduce insulin resistance and improve insulin sensitivity. In conclusion, ginger tea is a simple yet powerful home remedy that can help to alleviate stomach bloating and provide numerous health benefits. Drinking ginger tea regularly may help to improve digestion, boost the immune system, alleviate nausea, and even provide anti-cancer and blood sugar regulating properties. Incorporating ginger tea into your daily routine, along with other lifestyle changes, can help you manage stomach bloating and improve your overall health.